Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. As you can tell by my background, I'm very excited for Christmas time. I may or may have not decorated before Thanksgiving, but that is besides the point. As we all know, it's holiday time, and holiday time is present time. I mean, you don't have to get presents, but presents are pretty nice. And if you're here, you're either like me and you like cute things, or maybe you know someone like me that likes cute things and they're so hard to shop for and you don't know what to get them. So I hope today's video helps. We actually got sent some stuff from Divoom. I'm so excited to unbox it and do a review. One of the items they sent us is a Pixoo DIY panel art LED frame, and they also sent over a ditoo, their iconic ditoo, which is a retro pixel art portable speaker in pink. If you're on TikTok or Instagram or really anywhere, I'm sure you've seen this in particular. She's very iconic. She's having her moment right now. So I'm excited to unbox these for y'all, and stay tuned for the end of the video because there'll be a little surprise there. Before we get started, please be sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that, and if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. Be sure to hit the bell icon, that way you're notified when I post a new video. Okay, let's start unboxing these because these have been sitting in my room and I've been like,
I want to unbox them so bad.
Okay, let's do it. This is my first time recording with two cameras. I have one right here next to me. So first off, the one that I really want to unbox first is the pixoo. It's all customizable through the Divoom app, and I thought it would look really cool like somewhere back here on my wall. So let's unbox this. It's so fancy. The packaging is so nice. On this panel, it's just showing you screenshots of the app. You can make your own pixel art. There's also a lot of already pre-uploaded pixel art by other people. It can work as a clock, and it can also be like a music visualizer, so that's pretty cool. And first impression, I thought it was gonna be like a thin kind of frame. It's actually pretty thick. She's thick. Oh my god, look, wait, there's a frog. Here is what comes inside the package. You get some Divoom stickers, super cute. I really like the heart one. It's so cute. And here is the cable for it, and here is the manual that comes with it. Once it's fully charged, it lasts for 6 hours, which is not that bad. And so up here at the top, yeah, can you see that? Up here, there's the power button, and she's turning on. Cute. Okay, so it's already trying to connect to Bluetooth. So, oh, look, and it automatically goes to time. I mean, we need to fix it, but I love how big the screen is. Like, this is crazy. And, okay, from this button in the middle, you can change through different settings. This little compartment on the side, you just put this here. You can have it on a mantle, on your setup. If you don't, it doesn't have to necessarily be on your wall, which is pretty cool. And then if you just, change your mind and you're like, never mind, I do want it on my wall, store it back here, and then you can switch it off. I like how it comes with storage on the item. I would probably lose it if it didn't have that. This is how the app looks like. As you can see here, there's a lot of already pre-made pixel art that you can use. So now it's searching for the item to pair with. Okay, and it's connected to my pixoo. It was that easy. Now you go to the discover, and this kind of just shows you the different settings you can do on the pixoo. So you have the design. You can literally like design your own pixel art that you want on here. Just do a little heart. Oh god, no, she's cursed. That's a cursed heart. I think is really cool if you're an artist. I'm not an artist, as you can tell, but I love how like super responsive it is. So you can see how it looks like in real time, and you can edit it. You can also change it to an animation. And here's the different frames. Frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, down here, frame 5. As you can see, it already transferred onto the pixoo, and you can kind of see how it looks like. Please don't roast me for my lack of art skills. But let's say you're like me and you're not an artist, you can't do pixel art, there's a bunch of preloaded ones that are really cute. So like, look, there's this really cute Hatsune Miku one, and look how cute she looks. She's jumping. Look how cute this looks. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh, there's a baby Yoda. Or Grogu, spoiler if you haven't seen it. You can actually preload different designs onto the pixoo, so it switches between them. Okay, so let's do like this Among Us one, and then you add a second one. Let's do this Pinguino. And you can just have a bunch already pre-selected, and it'll rotate through them, so you don't have to constantly like keep the same one, but now it'll just shuffle through the ones that you've selected. Only downside I will say to this, but it's not really a downside, it's just me being annoying, is that the frame itself is black. It's a black frame, so it won't really match, but I bought some masking tape, some washi tape. So I'm gonna cover this and let's see if I can make it look all cute and pink. How does it look to you? I think it looks okay. I mean, she looks okay from far away. Don't look at the edges. Don't look up close. This is the Divoom pixel art frame. Overall, I think it's really cool if you want something to add to your room. I think right now it's on sale for $45.90, $90 originally. I think the $45.90 is a good price point for this, especially just because it is just an LED frame. Like, it's not a Bluetooth speaker. It'd be pretty cool if it was. I think it'll be a really good present. They could add it to their setup, put it on their nightstand, their dresser, and they got an alarm clock and also a cute LED display. So I really like it. The next item to unbox is the iconic, I'm sure you've already seen her, ditoo retro pixel art portable speaker. Now this one is Bluetooth and she does have also a smaller LED screen. This one is iconic, super popular right now on TikTok and on Instagram. This comes in a variety of colors. Pink, of course, I had to get the pink, a white, a blue, a green, a red, and a black one. It's like a gift bag. Imagine just giving this to someone. That'd be so cute. It comes with a little carrying case, which is really cute. If you want to take it somewhere, you don't have to worry about like just carrying it by itself. You can actually put it in its little case. So press this, open it up, and there she is. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my god. This is how it looks like. This is how small it is. Here are the keys. It has this little lever. Another cool thing is that you can play some games on it. It's really cute and it looks so cute. Like, imagine this just on your desk. It's really cute. Here on the side, when you turn it, that's where you'll find the power button, the USB port to charge it, and there's also a micro SD slot. Cute. These are the controls right here for the volume. Lower it. There's one for mode, so you can do like a gaming mode. Art mode, I don't know what that is, a clock, music, so let's go with that one. And you press the little lever to like select, and there's different, I'm assuming different game modes. Let's do this one. Okay, so you can actually play, oh crap, what is this game called? But you can play this game, you know, with the shapes and stuff. This is seriously gonna bug me. I'm so embarrassed that I don't remember what this game is called. That's the only thing, is that the screen is pretty dim. It's set up all the way, but I mean, you don't really need it to be super bright. That's so funny. It looks so funny. Okay, let's do Pascal. Pascal just swimming. That is so cute. But it works exactly the same. I won't bore you with showing you the extra features because it is exactly the same in terms of the pixel art. So you can make your own designs, your own animations. There's a bunch of preloaded ones. That aspect to the frame is exactly the same. The only difference is that this is Bluetooth. So I guess let me show you how it sounds. So the sound actually comes from up here. This is where the speaker is, and there's also, I feel it down here as well. The vibes. That's the Ditto, and I think for the price point, I think it's really well worth it. It's a really cute Bluetooth speaker, but I'm afraid, I will be honest, I'm afraid to put it up all the way volume wise. I feel like it was already starting to sound like she was struggling a bit, but of course it's not going to compare to like my JBL Bluetooth speaker. JBL is like, you know, made for sound, as opposed to this one. I feel like it's more novelty. You're getting it basically because it looks like a little computer and it's pink, and you get cute like pixel art animations on it, which a lot of Bluetooth speakers don't offer. I think for the price point, if you're getting it from the actual website, I think it's pretty well worth it. It's a good gift to anyone who's into this kind of stuff. It's not even just for people into just cute things. Atari, old video games, the 80s, I don't know. I feel like they would really enjoy this because of the pixel art. It's really cute. I have this on my setup. Usually that's where it lives. It lives right under my monitors. The little monitor just looks so cute under my actual monitors. I really love it. I would really recommend this as a gift. It is so cute, and I'm honestly obsessed with both of these products. I'm very into like that aesthetic of like LEDs, as you can tell. Like I love like RGB LED lighting. That was my unboxing slash review. Like I said, I think they make really good gifts for anyone in your life. I really love that they're in a variety of colors. Wanted to put the frame a little bit towards the back of the shot just to see how bright the colors look. I don't know about you, but I can still see it crystal clear. The screen is really bright. I can still see the colors. The animation is super cute, and I am obsessed with it. Hi, editing Candy here, and I realized I never said what the big announcement was at the end of the video, so I'm here to tell you now. The exciting announcement is that Divoom and I have partnered to give away one ditoo. Oh my god, I'm really excited. The iconic Divoom ditto. You can win your own. I know, this is very exciting. So thank you again to Divoom for not only sending me these items to test out and review for all of you, but also for partnering with me to give away one of these goodies for one of my lovely supporters. So since you're already here watching the video, you get like 3 extra entries, and I'm gonna tell you how you get them. And you can only get these 3 extra entries by watching the video. So first, make sure that you click the thumbs up button. Make sure that you like the video. Second, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. And third, all you need to do is in the comment section down below, leave a comment telling us your favorite thing that has happened in 2020. This year has been really rough on all of us, and it's really easy, trust me, I do it all the time, it's really easy to focus on the negative, but I want to hear something good or positive that happened to you this year. Like I said, these are only extra entries, so to be fully entered into the giveaway and to get more chances to win, be sure you go on my Instagram and you find this picture, this one right here, this one. Yeah, go find this on my Instagram. In the caption, I'll give more information about how to enter. There will more than likely be a link in my Instagram bio, so definitely go check that out. And thank you so much again to Divoom for partnering with me on giving away one of these cute items for one of you. I'm really excited, and good luck everyone. Okay, back to the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. That helps me know if I was helpful in any way, and if you enjoyed the video, and I'll definitely do more cute tech unboxings. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. That would mean so much to me. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Please be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. In the description box, you'll find links for these products. Also in the description box, you'll find a link for all my social medias. So let's follow each other. Let's be friends. Thank you so much again for watching the video. It really means a lot to me. And I hope you had a great and magical, wonderful pixel art day. Bye!